Hi guys, my name is Dr. Hesh, otherwise known as Dr. Magic. That's because I'm an NHS GP, but also a magician. Now, I've just been sent home from work to self-isolate. It's an incredibly difficult time right now around the world. I'm going to use my magic to provide some basic information and advice about the coronavirus. Just warm up, see what we can do. There. We're going to use a deck of cards for this. Just doing a quick mix like that. And we just need to, let's just get a random card to start us off. Let's go for this one, the King of Spades. So, coronavirus, otherwise known as Covid-19, is a new viral disease which previously did not affect humans. See what I did? Now, what are the symptoms? So the symptoms tend to be mild and include things such as a temperature. So temperature can make you feel hot, but also make you feel cold. Now in the medical world, a temperature is classed as anything above 38 degrees Celsius. So other symptoms can include a sore throat and also a cough. Now the incubation period, which is a period from when the virus first appears in your body to when it causes symptoms, can average around 5 days. Now it's important to note that 80% of the people who become unwell from this and doubled over with illness and feel they reach the bottom will, with just simple rest, spring back to top form without needing any medical help. Now it's also important to note that some people, like this lucky guy, will never catch the illness, but a small percentage of these people will still have coronavirus in their blood. This is important to note because these people can potentially spread the illness to other people. Now we're on the subject, let's talk more about spread. So when someone infected coughs or sneezes, the virus is carried in droplets through the air, like this, into our nose and mouths, which is gross, and that's where it causes infections. Now the government and health officials have issued guidelines that we can do to help prevent the spread and flatten that curve. These include things such as, you've guessed it, washing your hands for a minimum of 20 seconds with alcohol gel or soapy water, which will kill off the bugs. Other things that you can do is avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, which can introduce bugs into the body. Try and stand at least 3 feet away from someone who has the infection. Also, if you're going to cough and sneeze, do it into a tissue and dispose of the tissue straight away. Do not try this at home. Let's just say you become unwell with the symptoms explained. What is the NHS guidelines? So if they're mild symptoms, then it's to self-isolate at home for 7 days. Do not go to your GP practice, pharmacy or hospital, as it can spread illness to others. If you're living with other people, then self-isolate for 14 days from the time the first person got unwell. Now call 111 if your symptoms worsen, who are doing an ace job by the way. Dial 999 is only for medical emergencies. And it's important to be wary of people who are over 70 years old, as they are more prone to more severe illness. I just want to lastly point out as a finishing note that most importantly, to get us through this challenging time, it's important to love and support one another. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please share this with others so they can benefit from this information too. Now remember, if we work together, we can prevent the spread of this disease, and this will save lives. So please, stay at home.